Are you making breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Stairs. I like counting stairs. I like counting stairs.
You're going to count them?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you what to do, okay? We have to open these, and you just put a fork in and go all the way around.
Okay.
But right in the middle, all the way around like that, okay? Good boy.
Guthrie, what you doing?
I'm doing a damn thing.
Are you breaking open the
And then
English muffins? Are
Okay,
you
you do
breaking
the
open the
next one.
muffins? Are you breaking open the muffins? How do I zoom? That?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Guthrie, say something. Guthrie, look at me. Guthrie, look at me. What you doing?
I'm doing a
Can I look at the muffins?
Yeah.
See? Very good. Keep going.
Okay. Oh, my fork.
Yeah, we have to put that one in the sink. Let me get you a clean one.
Guthrie, say something.
It's a number.
Guthrie, do you like helping Mama cook?
Oh, put this on that.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm just making some bacon.
Okay.
See?
Yeah. I'll hold that steady for you.
Okay, I want to hold it. Don't hit it. Okay?
Okay.
It's really hot. Hey, catch it.
Okay.
Mommy did it. Mommy did it.
Yeah, I know.
No, wash my hands.
I'm
Okay?
washing mine, but look at the camera.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Just look at the camera.
Okay.
It's still recording. You're not holding it.
You're doing a good job, Guthrie.
Isn't it really smart how I placed it like that? Instead of just carelessly putting it down? You almost done, Guthrie? That looks yummy.
We can eat it.
Yeah.
Who eat it?
Yeah, we're going to eat it.
Yeah. She eat it.
Are you going to break it open? Okay, Guthrie, now try breaking it open. Yay, Guthrie!
You did it!
Yay!
Okay.
Guthrie!
Oh, Mama's no.
Did you do it?
No.
Yes, you did.
Oh, do it with this one.
Okay, now you're going to do that one? Okay.
Well, put it in the middle. Put it in the middle.
Guthrie, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye, camera.